In today's tutorial, we're going to cover factorization. So we deal with two types of factorization. The first one is factorization, which involves numbers only. The other one is factorization, which involves algebraic terms. So for numeric factorization, we give a simple example, 2 plus 4. To factorize this expression, we are supposed to get a number which goes into 2 without leaving a remainder. At the same time, the same number must go into 4 without leaving a remainder. So the number which can divide both 2 and 4 without leaving a remainder is 2. So this number which we have identified, 2 can go into 2, the same 2 can go into 4. So we write it down. Now we introduce parentheses. So we can start dividing. So we say 2 into 2, we get 1, plus 2 into 4, the answer is 2, like that. So find a number which goes into both numbers without leaving a remainder, it's 2. Then start dividing. 2 divided by 2, the answer is 1. 4 divided by 2, the answer is 2. So we have factorized. And when you have factorized your expression, you should be able to return it to the original expression. So 2 times 1, we get 2. 2 times 2, the answer is 4. Another example, 6 plus 9. So to factorize this expression, we look for a number which goes into 6 and 9 without leaving a remainder. So the number which goes into 6 and 9 without leaving a remainder is 3. So we have 3. Then we open parentheses. Now we can divide. 6 divided by 3, the answer is 2, plus 9 divided by 3, the answer is 3, like that. We have factorized. Now let us look at algebraic factorization. So for algebraic factorization, we deal with letters. Example, A, C plus A, D. So an algebraic factorization, we just look at the letter which appears on both sides. So we have A is common because A is appearing here and it is also this side. So that which is common, we write it down. So A is common. We open parentheses like that. Now we can divide. We say AC divided by A. So this AC divided by A. We just cancel this and that we remain with C. So this is our answer, plus AD divided by A. So we have AD divided by A. So this and this disappears, we just remain with D, like that. So we have factorized. And when you are doing your factorization, you ensure that there is nothing which is common. When we look at these two terms, there's nothing which is appearing on both sides. So we have factorized completely. The last example, we have A, B plus A squared C. So to factorize this expression, we look at the letter which appears on both sides. So A appears on both sides. So we have to factor out A. Now, which A are we going to get? Is it this A with power 1 or A squared? The rule is get the letter which has a smaller power. So A has a smaller power. This A, the power is 1. Then this other A, the power is 2. So we get the A which has a smaller power. So we get this A. So the A is common, like that. Then we open parentheses, like that. We can now divide AB divided by A. So we have AB divided by A. So this A and A disappears. We have B plus. Now we have A squared C divided by A. So this is A squared C divided by this A. So we do that. So this A squared, one of these A's here will cancel with the A which is down. So the expression on top, this A squared, means A times A. That's the A squared. Then we have times C. Now we divide everything by A, like that. So this A and this A disappears. So meaning on top we just remain with AC, like that. So this AC, that's the one we put here. So we have factorized completely. Thank you very much for watching. Please watch the other video where we're going to be looking at factorization of 4 terms and quadratic factorizations. Thank you for watching.